Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add a subtask in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your task right here in the left panel. As you can see here, I have this task with its subtask, okay? So to do that, just go ahead over to a specific task. For example, this one right here, okay? We have here the task name, okay? Create a video about Zoho Projects. So what we'll do is just click on the three dots beside it. Now go ahead and click on add a subtask, okay? As you can see, just click on it and here we have the subtask box. So let's say, for example, create a video about Zoho Projects. We'll have a topic. Topic 1, just for example, how to add a subtask in Zoho Projects, okay? Once that's done, just hit on enter. And here we now have the subtask. As you can see here, we know that it is a subtask because it is not in line with the main task, okay? As you can see here. Now, if you want to assign this one to someone, just click on the unassigned button right here or field. Let's say I'm going to assign this one to Mr. Tristan, like so, and just tap away. Okay. You can click on view to change the date or due date, add a description or comments. All right. And there you have it. That is how you add a subtask here in Zoho Project. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.